Hey, we will be working on an antique, extremely old razor today. Quite rusty, with scales to be changed, and that will need a good, strong polish on it to make it revive to its old state. So, let's see that. Guys, so here it is. We are with a very nicely polished, this time, WM Greaves and Son razor. I'd say from the 1850, 1890s, so very old. And I have to say I'm quite happy with the state it is now, looking at what it was in the past. So it's a hollow razor, I would say, a wedge, probably a wedge razor, 7/8, and I changed the scales for rosewood with scales. The other scales were completely rotten. So as usual, I put some tape to protect the spine, use the Sharpie to control the geometry, and we will start with an Atoma 600 to create a bevel. There is no bevel at all anymore. So it's fantastic diamond stone to create a nice bevel. Bit of water on it. And let's start. So I don't know if you've had the time to see, but this is a blade with a kind of a smile shape. So we definitely have to use the wrist a lot, bending the wrist to make sure that we respect this smile shape. Geometry is not too bad. Well, it's not perfect neither, to be honest. Most of these very old Sheffield blades are slightly wrapped, so yeah. That's kind of known. Okay, it's becoming sharp now, which is good. So I don't know if you see the edge. Let's see under the microscope now. Not Microsoft, microscope. All right. So we're getting there slowly. We have an edge, or more, we have a bevel, and now we will use an Aniva 1000. It's a great stone to use straight after the diamond stone. It will make we will be able to raise a nice thick slurry, which I like, and it's usually very good to erase the previous marks from the Atoma stone. So some back and forward laps on the stone. So at this stage we need a bit of pressure. Not crazy pressure, but a bit of pressure. Otherwise we might spend hours on it. And of course we will always end on the stone with just X strokes, just to rebalance the edge. That's it. Let's try the edge. Okay, let's have a quick look. Yeah, it's not too bad. Still some marks, but they will go away. It's not too bad. Now we move to the Shapton 5000. Really like this stone too. And again, we'll use the diamond stone, the Atoma, to raise the slurry. Not too thick this time, just a bit. And this is the last stone where we're gonna do some back and forward laps. Really nice stone. That's it. So as you can see, I'm usually helping myself with the other hand, just to control the move better, but I'm not using it to put pressure on the blade. Okay. Looks good. We can move to the J-Nut. So Nakayama stone LV5. And with this Nakayama we will use some slurry stones. The first one we are gonna use is the Asano Nagura Tenju. Focus is not amazing. Yeah, should be better now. So let's raise a nice slurry. No pressure. You don't want any small bits within your slurry that will scratch your edge. And from now on it's just X strokes. No need to go fast, just make sure you have a nice move on the stone. You can see the slurry moving well on the stone. That's good. If the slurry goes under the edge, not good. Okay, that's the edge after the Japanese stone. Not bad at all. And our next stone is the Asano Nagura Tenju. So the one previously, that's the Mejiro. The Tenju previously was 7 to 8k. This one, the Mejiro, is more 8 to 10k grit. Same process. So you can see the slurry moving well with the blade, and that's exactly what we want. And now the last Asano Nagura, the Koma. Koma has a grit of 10k plus. Very hard stone, so easy on the pressure. And just a light slurry will just do fine. And at this stage we don't need any pressure, just the weight of the blade and few laps on the stone will be enough. And the last stone, it's a Tomonagua, and I believe this one is the Naivatani. So we will have a create of 15k plus with this one. Few more laps and we should be good. That's it. And we are done. Let's try the blade. Perfect. Be careful to not cut yourself or cut the cloth. And doesn't look too bad. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's not a bad edge, especially thinking about the edge of this blade, which is probably around 150, 170 years old. So this is it, nice shiny. Of course, after that I've done 150 laps on my Kanayama strobe, and I had an amazing shave also after that. I loved I don't really like honing the smile blade, but they're really good and really handy to use, especially on the neck when you do the against the grain. If you like this video, if it's the case, I'd love to get a thumbs up, and I have to say I'll see you next time. See you now.